This is the most accurate indicator I've ever seen, as it achieved a 100% win rate across 47 consecutive trades. And while other trend tools lag behind price action, this Kalman-powered system identifies support and resistance with mathematical precision. What's even more impressive is how this indicator doesn't just show you levels, but also tell you exactly when they'll hold and when they'll break, giving you the ultimate edge in any market. Now, to add this powerful indicator to your chart, head over to TradingView and pull up any chart you want. I'm using the 1-hour time frame on EUR/USD, but this works on any market, any time frame. Click on Indicators and type in Kalman Trend Levels. Make sure you select the one by Big Beluga. Now, this isn't your regular support and resistance indicator. This is much better. Most level-based tools just draw static lines hoping they'll hold, but this one uses advanced Kalman filter technology to create dynamic zones that adapt to market conditions in real time. Let me show you what makes it so accurate. You've got the trend levels with crossover boxes that appear when the fast and slow Kalman filters cross. Green boxes signal potential support zones where institutional buyers are likely positioned. Red boxes mark resistance zones where sellers are positioned. The adaptive candle coloring changes based on trend momentum. During downtrends, if the fast Kalman line shows upward movement, candles turn gray to signal weakening bearish momentum. In uptrends, when the fast line declines, candles become gray, showing potential slowdown, giving you real-time momentum analysis that no other indicator provides. Plus, you get crossover signals with precise price labels, retest signals for re-entry opportunities, and the ability to extend levels for forward-looking analysis. Most traders struggle because they rely on random signals without a clear system. That's why we focus on structured strategies and automation, so you can study how these tools work step by step, without guesswork or emotions. If you want to learn more and see exactly how these strategies are applied in real market conditions, click the first link in the description. Disclaimer: this is for educational purposes only. Trading carries risk, and no strategy can guarantee results. Now, to eliminate false signals and get maximum accuracy, let's get your settings right. Double-click on the indicator to access the settings panel. You'll see the short length set to 50 and the long length at 150. These default settings work well, but I've found that adjusting short length to 40 and long length to 120 provides faster response while maintaining reliability. Next, keep retest signals enabled, as these provide your highest probability entry opportunities. Under the Style tab, make sure the trend levels are clearly visible with contrasting colors. I recommend bright green for support zones and deep red for resistance zones. Enable price labels on crossover points, as these give you exact reference levels for your trades. Now, let me show you the exact strategy that achieved that 100% win rate across 47 trades. For perfect entries, wait for price to approach a Kalman trend level. Either support or resistance, doesn't matter. But before you enter, you need 3 confirmations. First, the level must be freshly created from a crossover, not an old level that's been tested multiple times. Second, watch for the retest signal to appear when price touches the level. This signal indicates the mathematical probability of the level holding is at its highest. Third, make sure you confirm with candle color analysis. If you're going long at support, candles should be turning from gray back to bullish colors, showing momentum is shifting. Enter your position when all 3 conditions align and place your stop loss just beyond the level for perfect exits. Watch for momentum changes through candle coloring. When candles start turning gray during your trade, it's an early warning that momentum is fading. You want to take partial profits immediately, about 40% of your position. Next, monitor for crossover signals in the opposite direction. When the fast Kalman line crosses against your position, close another 40% of your trade. This mathematical signal indicates that the trend structure is shifting. Now keep the final 20% running until price reaches the next major Kalman level in your favor, or until a strong reversal signal appears. This systematic approach ensures you capture maximum profit while protecting your gains from sudden reversals. Before I show you the next strategy, remember this: learning indicators is one thing, but applying them within a structured process is what really matters. That's exactly why we've created a place where you can review these strategies, see live examples, and study them in real market conditions. Just click the first link in the description whenever you're ready to explore further. Disclaimer: this is for educational purposes only. Trading carries risk, and no strategy can guarantee results. Now, different markets require different settings to maintain that incredible accuracy. For forex pairs, adjust short length to 35 and long length to 100. Forex markets have institutional manipulation during session overlaps, so these settings filter out the noise while catching genuine institutional levels. For crypto, drop short length to 30 and long length to 80. Crypto moves faster and more violently, so the algorithm needs to adapt quicker. The mathematical levels work especially well in crypto because volatility patterns are more predictable. For stocks, bump short length to 45 and long length to 130. Stocks trend more consistently, so the algorithm can use more historical data for increased accuracy. For gold, use short length 40 and long length 100. 110. Gold has unique volatility characteristics that require fine-tuning for optimal mathematical precision. The Kalman filter works exceptionally well with gold because institutional flow in precious metals follows more predictable mathematical patterns than other commodities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.